Hi, it's Christian Harris, and in this video I've got some statistics for you around slips, trips and falls in the hotel sector. And what does that mean for you if you're an operator of a hotel? So one of the insurance brokers that we work closely with is James Hallam, and they're very strong in the leisure and hospitality market. I think at last count they insured something like just under 1,000 hotels across the UK, as well as a number of other types of building that they look after. We did some analysis of their claims data, and it threw up some interesting statistics when it comes to insurance claims in hotels. So as we know, slips, trips and falls tends to be the biggest cause of accident, pretty much irrespective of the sector that you operate in. But looking at claims, it doesn't always follow that your biggest cause of accident becomes your biggest cause of claim. In hotels, though, the data from James Hallam showed that 35% of insurance claims by volume were down to slips, trips and falls, which is pretty standard because in most cases it's about a third or third to 40% of accidents are down to that cause. However, what was really fascinating was that if you looked at the claim costs, so the claims by value, slips, trips and falls was 65%, so a massively higher ratio of claims in terms of value as opposed to volume. What does that mean? Well, in very simple terms, it means that they're paying out quite high sums for these claims, and it probably also means that these claims are difficult to defend, because if you've got a claim which is coming in, it's easy to defend, your costs are low. If you've got a claim which is harder to defend and with a more serious accident, you're likely to have higher costs. So from the perspective of you, if you are an operator of a hotel, what does that mean? What do you need to do? Well, I think it's really important to really try to understand properly your slips, trips and falls risks. Now, our analysis from hotels is that the biggest and most frequent cause of accident in bathrooms is slips, and that's where people really do struggle to defend claims for a variety of reasons. Bathrooms typically are designed to look pretty and to be functional. They're not necessarily designed to be safe. So we would certainly recommend getting in a specialist to have a look at your bathrooms in particular, but other environments in the hotel too, to try to put some numbers on your risk levels and see what you can do to manage that risk. If that's something you'd like our help with, we would be happy to assist. You can find us by visiting our website, which is www.slipsafety.co.uk. Thanks for watching the video, and we will see you again soon. Bye.